Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account with FreshBooks. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who want to actually start going ahead to actually start bookkeeping through FreshBooks. And so with that, do stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. So by the end of this video, you are going to learn how to actually connect your bank account with FreshBooks. So currently I'm logged onto my FreshBooks account. What you're going to do is scroll down on the left-hand side navigation bar, and then under where it says bank connections, you're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you're going to choose your bank to get started. So they have Citibank, US Bank, PayPal, American Express, Capital One. Here, I'm going to actually go ahead and click on Chase Bank. Then you just want to fill out the actual confirmations and verification processes. Now, the next step is that it's actually going to prompt you to actually go ahead and log onto your Chase Bank. So what's actually going to happen is that Chase will provide the following standard information to FreshBooks. So it's going to provide your name, transactions. You're just going to click on continue. So now this should be the window where you actually log onto your Chase Bank. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video here. So from this point, go ahead and enter your username and then your password. And then once you actually log on to Chase, you're going to see the option to actually connect different checkings accounts and different credit cards. So just go ahead and actually check mark the credit cards and checkings accounts that you want connected onto FreshBooks. And do keep in mind that there is going to be a verification process to actually allow you to connect your FreshBooks account with Chase.com. So after it's actually connected, you are going to see your transactions listed within the FreshBooks account. And so with that, that is actually how you go ahead and connect your FreshBooks account with your bank. So if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.